Hello, in this video, we are going to walk through how to save your favorite templates or reports inside of Acumatica. So to start, if we go to a workspace, and if there's a report that we've run quite frequently, we can always favorite that report by clicking the star button right here. So let's say that we always used the sales order summary and the order register report, and we wanted to be able to navigate to quite frequently. Because I have starred these, if we go up to our favorites, now you will see both the sales order summary and the order register favorite. Now these will be across all screens, so if you wanted to favorite something else, you can always favorite as many things as you would like across multiple workspaces, and then those would show in your favorites here. To remove them, you can simply just unstar them right here, and then they will be removed from your favorites. So now that we have looked at how to favorite the screen itself, if we go into the actual report, you'll notice a couple of things. So as we've talked about previously in our last video, you can set the parameters and the filters right here. But let's say that you always wanted to run the sales order summary for a particular customer. So let's say you always wanted to run this for a customer. And instead of going back just to the month start, you wanted to go back, we'll say, to the previous month start. So from 10/1 to today's date. So here, what I can do is I can go in and I can click Save Template. When I do this, I can go ahead and enter our template name right here. So I can just do Jersey Central and click OK. And when I do this, now we will see in our drop-down list that I have this Jersey Central template. If I clear it, you'll see that this is just the basic default Acumatica parameters that are set. But if I wanted to go ahead and always run this, I can click this here. If I wanted this to be the default template I see when I go to this screen, I could select the default. Or if I wanted to share this out to other users who have access to the sales order summary screen, I would click the shared button right here. These templates will be able to be saved for any parameter or any filter or sorting conditions that you set. So if you have a whole bunch of specific examples and specific conditions that you always like to run, or that you just want to have as a template, you could always go in and you could add your different filtering or sorting conditions, and then you would be able to click Save Template. And then anytime you run this report for this particular template, it'll always have that specified criteria. So I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.